In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload a Word document template in Dynamics 365. We'll walk through the full process of generating a template file, editing it in Microsoft Word, and then uploading it back into Dynamics 365 so it can be used across the system. This is a great way to standardize documents and save time when you need to generate files populated with data from your records. To begin, open Dynamics 365 and go into Settings. From there, navigate to Templates and then select Document Templates. This area is where Word and Excel templates are managed, and it allows you to create reusable files connected to your data. Once you're in Document Templates, click the New button. You'll then choose Word Template as the template type. After that, select the target entity you want the template to pull data from. For example, you might choose the account entity if you want the document to use account record information. Once the correct entity is selected, click Download Template. Dynamics 365 will generate a Word file that contains the structure needed to connect document fields with your data. Next, open the downloaded file in Microsoft Word. At this stage, you'll need to work with the Developer tab. If the Developer tab is not already visible in Word, make sure it is enabled so you can access the tools required for mapping fields. Inside the document, use XML mapping controls to insert the fields from the entity into the places where you want data to appear. This is the step where you customize the layout of your template, such as adding record details into headings, tables, or body text. As you build the document, keep the formatting clean and professional. Make sure the mapped fields are placed exactly where they should appear when the template is used later. It's also a good idea to review spacing, fonts, and alignment before saving, since the final generated document will follow this design. When your template is ready, save the file as a .docx document. Then go back to Dynamics 365 and return to the same document templates area. Click Upload Template and select the Word file you just saved. After the upload is complete, the template will be available system-wide, which means users can access it when generating documents for that entity. That's the full process. Once uploaded, your Word template becomes a practical tool for creating consistent, data-driven documents directly from Dynamics 365.